Good morning, children. Sairam. Last class we saw addition, right? Chapter number 3, addition. Now we are going to continue the addition. Are you all ready? Yes. Now tell me, what do you mean by addition? Addition is counting forward, right? So now today we'll see addition of two 4-digit numbers. Addition of two 4-digit numbers without carryover. We are going to add two 4-digit numbers without carryover. Shall we? Yes. To add 4-digit numbers, what you have to do? First, add the ones, then the tens, then hundreds, and finally the thousands. Yes. First, what you have to add? If you have a 4-digit number, first to add a 4-digit number, first you add the ones place, then the tens place, then the hundreds, and finally the thousands. So when you add any number, what you have to do? You have to start from the ones place, isn't it? So first start from the ones place, then tens, then hundreds, and then at last thousands. Yes. Shall we see one example now? How to add a 4-digit number? Yes. First one, add 4302 and 2683. Now we are going to add 4302. That means 4302 and 2683. We are going to add 4302 and 2683. Shall we add now? So what we have to do first? So we'll go step by step now. Okay. So now the step 1 is add the ones place, right? So I'm writing 4302, then 2683. First what you have to do? Step 1, we have to add the ones place, right? So that is circle 2. You are going to first add 2 and 3. So first add the ones place, 2, 3. Now Aaron, tell me the answer now. 2 plus 3? 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. What is the first step? You're going to add the ones place. Very good. So first you have to add the ones place. So here 2 plus 3, 5. So write 5 below the ones place. So 2 plus 3, 5. So next what you have to do? Second step, you have to add the tens place, right? So what is there in the tens place? 0, 8. When you add 0 to any number, what will happen? The number will be unchanged, right? So 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 0 plus 8, 8. Clear? 0 plus 8, 8. So write it down. 0 plus 8, 8. So I'm writing 0 plus 8, 8. Next what you have to do? First step is you're going to add the ones place, and then second step is you're going to add the tens place. That also we have added. So first one is ones place, the answer is 5. Next the tens place, the answer is 8. What is the third step? Shall we see that now? Yes. So the third step is we are going to add the hundreds place. First is ones place, then tens place, and next you have to add the hundreds place, isn't it? So shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. What is there in the hundreds place? 3 and 9. Add 3 plus 6. 3 and 6. 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 9. So write 9 down. 3 plus 6 is 9. Add 3 plus 6. The answer will be 9. So write that 9 down below the hundreds place. Okay. So now 3 plus 6 is 9. And next what you have to do? First we have added the ones place, and then we have added the tens place, and then hundreds place, right? Then what we should do now? Then we should add the thousands place, isn't it? So shall we add the thousands place now? What is there in the thousands place now? Tell me. 4, 2. Add 4 plus 2. Add 4 and 2 now. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. So write 6 here. So what is the answer now? 4000. When you add 4302 plus 2683, what will be the answer? 6985. 6,985. We'll see how to add 4-digit number. First, you have to going to add the ones place. First, you're going to add the ones place. So, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then, you're going to add the tens place. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then, what you have to do? So, 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. First is 2 plus 3, 5. Next, tens place. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. And what is the third step? Add the hundreds place. 3 plus 9. That means 3 in the mind. 9 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So going to add 6 to 3. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So that you're going to write it here. Next, you're going to add the thousands place, isn't it? So now 4 plus 2, 6. So 6985 is the answer. When you add 4,302 plus 2,683, the answer is 6,985. So you know how to add a 4-digit number, right children? Shall we move on to the sums now? Now these sums, you're going to copy it in your notebook. Now take your notebook, write whatever I'm teaching now, you're going to copy that in your notebook. Shall we start? First sum, you're going to add 9, 7, add 9, 7, 1, 6 and 53. 9, 7, 1, 6 and 53. You're going to add 9, 7, 1, 6 and 53. Shall we add now? Yes. So first write 6 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 100 in the 7 in the hundreds place and 9 in the thousands place. So next 3 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place. No, we don't have hundreds and thousands place in the second number. Shall we add this now? 9, 7, 1, 6 and 53 we are going to add. First what we have to do? First we have to take the ones place, right? So first take 6 and 3. Add 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 down. 6 plus 3, 9, right? 6 plus 3 is 9. So write it below the ones place. So that is over. Then what we have to do? Next we have to move on to the tens place. Now add the tens place. What is there in the tens place? 1 and 5. Now add 1 and 5. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? 6. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 below the tens place. Now that is over. Then what we have to do? Now we have to move on to the hundreds place. Now yes. Now we are moving to the hundreds place. Hundreds place, is there any number to add? No. So write down that number directly. If there is no number, 7 plus 0 is 7, right? So write down that number directly, 7. Then what we should do? Then move on to the thousands place. There is no number to add. So that also write that number also directly. Take that below, 9. So the answer is 9, 7, 6, 9. Answer is 9. When you add 9,716 plus 53, the answer is 9,769. Clear children? First you have to add the ones place. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then you have to move on to the tens place. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now move on to the hundreds place. There is no number to add. So write down the number directly below that. So 7, you take that 7 and write that below. What do you mean by 7 plus 0 is 7, right? So write 7 and 9. There is no number to add. So take that down, 9. So 9769. Understood children? Shall we move on to the next sum? You know how to add 4-digit number, right? So shall we move on to the next sum? Copy this sum in your notebook children. This is exercise number 3.1. Add the following. So first sum is 9716 plus 53. And second sum, we are going to add 7591. That means 7591 plus 2,306. 7,591 we are going to add with 2,306. Shall we add now? So first write in the exact place. So I am taking the first number 7591. Write 1 in the ones place and 9 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place and 7 in the thousands place. And second number 6 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Now shall we add this now? So while what we should do? First you have to take the ones place, isn't it? First we should add the ones place, right? Now add 1 plus 6. 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Or else you can add 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. You can add in any order, right? So I'm adding 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. The answer will be the same, right? So after 6, 7. So write 7 below the ones place, or else 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. So write 7 down. Now what you have to do next? Now we have to add the tens place, isn't it? 9 plus 0. When you add 0 to any number, what will happen? The number will be same, right? The number will not change. So 9 plus 0 answer is 9. So 9 plus 0 is 9. So write 9 there. 9 plus, if you add any 0 to any number, the answer will be the same. So the number will be same. 9 plus 0 is 9. Next one. Now we have to add the hundreds place, isn't it? Shall we add the hundreds place now? 5 plus 3. Add 5 and 3 and tell me the answer now. How will you add 5 and 3? 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 down. Next what we have to do? We have to move on to the thousands place, isn't it? So shall we add the thousands place now? Now 7, 2. Now we are going to add 7 and 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. After 7, 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. So write 9 below the thousands place. Clear, children? So the answer is 9,897. What is the answer? 9,897. When you add 7,591 and 2,306, the answer is 9,897. I'll repeat it. First you have to add the ones place. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Then we have to add the tens place. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Then we have to add the hundreds place, right? So what is there in the hundreds place? 5, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Then we have to move to the thousands place. So 7 plus 2, 9. So the answer is 9,897. Shall we move on to the next sum? C sum. You're going to add 4,927, 4,927 and 5,040. 4,927, 5,040. Shall we add this now? Now you are going to tell me the answer now. Are you all ready? Yes. Now first write the number in the correct place. Yes. 7. First I am taking the number 4927. Write 7 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 4 in the thousands place. Now take the second number 5040. 0 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Shall we add this now? So first what you have to do? First we have to add the ones place, isn't it? So now we are going to add 7 plus 0. When you add 0 to any number, the number will be unchanged. So 7 plus 0 is 7, right? So write 7 below the 7 plus 0 is 7. Now what we have to do? Move on to the tens place. Now you add the tens place. 2 plus 4. Add 2 and 4. Now add 2 to 4 and tell me the answer now. 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 2 plus 4. 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 below. Next what we have to do? Next we have to move on to the hundreds place, isn't it? So hundreds place. Now we'll move on to the hundreds place. So here also when you add 0 to any number, the number will be unchanged, right? So 9 plus 0, the answer is 9. 9 plus 0, the answer is 9. So write 9 below the hundreds place. Now we have to move on to the thousands place, isn't it? So what is there in the thousands place? 4 and 5. Now add 4 plus 5 and tell me the answer now. 4 plus 5. 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5, what is the answer? 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 below. So the answer is 9,967. When you add 4,927 and 5,040, the answer is 9,967. So first we have to add the ones place, that is 7 plus 0 is 7. Then we have to add the tens place, 2 plus 4, 6. Then we have to add the hundreds place, 9 plus 0 is 9. Then we have to add the thousands place, 4 plus 5 is 9. Clear children? How you know how to add the 4-digit number, right? Shall we move on to the next one? So D sum 5,454, 3,112. We are going to add 5,454 and 3,112. Shall we add this now? So first we have to write the number in the correct place, right? Shall we? So first take the number 5454. So take write 4 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Now take the second number 3,112. So 2 in the ones place, write 1 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place and 3 in the thousands place. Shall we add this now? First what we have to do? First we have to add the ones place, isn't it? What is 4 plus 2? Add 4 and 2 and tell me the answer now, children. Yes, 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. So write 6 down. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Next we have to move on to the next one, tens place, right? Next we have to move on to the tens place. 5 plus 1. Add 5 and 1 and tell me the answer now. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So add 5 plus 1, 6. The answer is 6. Now what we have to do? We have to move on to the hundreds place now. We have to add the hundreds place now. So 4 plus 1. Add 4 and 1 and tell me the answer now. 4 plus 1. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. So 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. So write 5 below the hundreds place. So that is over. Then we should move on to the thousands place, isn't it? So add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Add and tell me the answer now, children. 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So write below thousands place, write 8. Clear? So the answer is 8,566. When you add 5,454 and 3,112, the answer is 8,566. So what you have to do? First you have to add the ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next is tens place. 5 plus 1, 6. Then hundreds place. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then the thousands place. 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer is 8,566. Next, E sum. We are going to add 2006 and 852. What we are going to add? 2006 and 852. Shall we add this now? So first, write the numbers in a correct place. So first take the number 2006. Write 6 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Now take the second number. Write 2 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place and 8 in the hundreds place. Shall we add this now? 6 plus 2. First you have to add the ones place, right? So add 6 plus 2 and tell me the answer now. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So write 8 below the ones place. Then what we have to do? We have to add the tens place, isn't it? So now add the tens place. What is there in the tens place? We are going to add 0 plus 5. What is the answer? When you add 0 to any number, the number will be unchanged, right? So 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now move on to the next one, hundreds place. So now add 0 plus 8. Add 0 and 8 and tell me the answer now, children. Yes, 0 plus 8 is 8. When you add 0 to any number, the number will be unchanged. It will not change, right? So 0 plus 8 is 8. So write 8 down. So there is no number to add here. So write directly. Take the number below and write down that number 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So we don't have any number to add. So write down that number directly below that. Okay, below thousands place. So 2. So the answer is 2,858. When you add 2006 plus 852, the answer is 2,858. The answer is 2,858. And here is one worksheet for you. Finish the worksheet. You are going to add 5,825 plus 142. First sum is 5,825. You are going to add with 142. Second sum 6,712. You are going to add with 2,156. Third sum 1,432. You are going to add with 5,026. Finish the worksheet, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.